Hey, this is John Howell here, founder of tradinginvesting4u.com and also featured in the best-selling book, Secrets of Stock Market Trades Exposed. Now, I want to welcome you to another edition on keeping you on top of the market. So without further ado, let's get into the education. Okay, traders, welcome back to another edition where I'm going to show you what's happening in the market. Now, in the next few days, I'm going to show you exactly a simple technique that you can use that works most of the time, and you're going to absolutely love this little technique I'm going to show you moving forward. Okay, this technique can actually make you, or potentially make you, some extra money, and when this sort of pattern forms moving forward, you'll be able to use that. Okay, so next few days, I'll be able to show you that. Now we're looking at crude oil right now. Over here, crude oil, and what we can see, we're actually looking at a daily chart right now, and what we're seeing here is we're seeing overall on a daily chart, we're seeing that if we draw a trend line down from here to here, we can see what's happening here. Okay, so that's basically the top of the channel. We've had like a bit of a bottom of the channel as well too. Okay, all through there, you can see the market here, crude oil is all the way down, so sort of from May. Okay, so from May all the way through to say October, you can see that this overall downward trend on crude oil just kept stair-stepping down, stair-stepping down, stair-stepping down. Okay, so what we're seeing here right now of crude oil, we're actually seeing that the market has broken out through. You can see the market here, and this is absolutely crucial. Let me see if I can zoom in on this. Alright, because I want to show you this. This is absolutely crucial. If you're looking to trade any channel or any pattern, this here will help you out tremendously. If you're looking to trade a channel, the market's going down through here, okay? Market's going down through here. That's a pretty big arrow there. Okay, market's going down, and then what happens is this. The market, it breaks out of the, okay, so the market comes up, it breaks out of the channel, runs back up, and comes back down and tested as support. So we see here we have resistance, and then resistance through here. But now, as we can see, right, that resistance, this overall resistance point through here, is now becoming support through here. So if we see a big channel on a long time frame where the market's trending down, and it hits resistance, and then suddenly breaks through, now tests support, and then it starts to race back up through here. Okay, so as you can see, it's starting to race back up through here. That there is a very nice entry. That there is a very nice entry level. Let me zoom it back out now. Okay, that there is a very, very nice entry level there. So what we're looking at here is we're looking at the overall fact that this market has seen some very, very nice upward movement through here. So we're seeing this market from here, and you can see this overall upward movement through here. And one thing I want to draw your attention to is this. Let me zoom in a bit more here. And let's go down, okay? Go down, go across. Okay, and I want to continue to go down here a bit more as well too. And let me move this across here. And I want to show you this here, because let's get right in close here. We can see here that this overall movement through here, okay? So what we have here is we simply have this resistance point through here. So we see how the market's made resistance here. Okay. It's made a lot of resistance through there, bit of resistance through there, still resistance through there. So this market's had a huge run up. Okay. Market's had a huge run up through here. And as we can see that this market's sort of stalling where it is right now. So what I do want to say is I believe that this market could get a retracement and even back down towards this support level where it may continue on sort of running back to the overall high side movement here. So that's a bit of an update on crude, or what's happening with crude right now. Again, I hope that you like this I hope that you like this sort of demonstration through here of what's happening right now. This is basically what's happening with crude, and if crude keeps going up like the way it is, it's stair-stepping higher it is, then the stock market's going to get a lot of pressure on it, and therefore we're likely to see a lot more downside in the market, because that's basically what happens. If you look at any chart or any market, you'll see that what happens overall on a sort of a longer term time frame, if you're looking in comparing sort of crude and also the stock market, is there's a comparison. Let me show you what I mean here. Okay, so what I've just brought up here, I've just brought up a weekly chart on the crude oil here. And what I'm talking about there with the combination is you can see here that as through the top of the 2008, you can see crude oil just got massive run up through there. Let me just change that color now. You can see crude oil had a massive run up, and sort of mid 2008. That's when the overall things just absolutely just came crushing down on the overall stock market there. Okay, so the higher the crude goes, the more pressure it puts on our stock market. Because you think about it, right? Every single industry out there requires shipment, right? Shipment of clothes, shipment of products and services. Oh, sorry, products. You know, even like our food stores requires shipment of and trucks use oil. Okay, so what's happening here is that as the higher it goes, the more expensive basically products and services and all that sort of stuff come. Okay, so basically what happens is if this market keeps going up, the more expensive our food gets, the more expensive our products gets, because they're basically the shipment and everything's getting dearer and dearer, and therefore overall that causes we're getting a rise. Over here we're getting a rise in crude. That means a decrease in stocks, and that's what happened 2008, and that's what might happen moving forward again. So I hope you enjoyed this. Make sure you come down to tradinginvestingforyou.com, where I'm giving away some free tickets to my next bootcamp, and also say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening, and that is success can be yours if you go claim it. So step up, take massive action, and face your fears today.
Mentored by Johnny Howe, I have found that my trading skills have grown tremendously.
John Howe is truly one of the best traders of the 21st century.
John, thank you so much for all your time in helping me to become the professional trader that I have been striving to be.
And that saw me take home $1,500 Australian after expenses in only 6 trading days.
I now know I could trade on my own and be successful at it, simply because of the way John has taught me.
Over the last 5 to 6 months, we have a 70% success rate. This is amazing considering how volatile the markets are.
But at the end of January, I was in a position where I could finally test out a couple of live trades. Nothing big, not a lot of money, but on the 2 trades I put in 1 week, I was $1,200 clear. Amazing.
And my last few trades have been fantastic.
I just wanted to say thanks, John. You've got a very happy camper here.
I'm absolutely positive that I'm learning the necessary skills to trade the market in any condition, and I'm also earning some money along the way. And I've found John's knowledge of the markets and his enthusiasm to be fantastic.
He's always available and approachable to answer any questions we have to help us get ahead.
With your phenomenal wisdom and insight into the market, you have given me the confidence to step up and take real responsibility in my trading, and the results are starting to flood in. It really means the world to me and my family, and I cannot thank you enough.
So I really have benefited so much from being mentored by Johnny and applying the techniques that he uses, and his mentoring is second to none. Thanks, Johnny, you've really helped me.
John is the real deal.